Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can make the set reset program in Omron PLC CP1E model. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. I will open my CX programmer software and here we will go to the uploads. Just only click it on direct online and after you will get this interface and just only no need anything changes, just only connect and click yes. Which program is inside your PLC, that will be backed up and wait for fraction of seconds. After this will be auto detect and which program is inside the PLC, that will be backed up. So now successfully program is uploaded from the PLC, but there is nothing any program inside the PLC. So I will make this interface little bigger because easy to visible. So first bit I will choose. Sorry, first this one you have to be cancel this one or make the ladder programming and choose again and click it OK. For example 0.0 I will choose my first input. That's already that's we will choose only just 0 0 and click enter. This is anything we can this details. Sorry, go to detail. This is address we will give it the later and here we will give the instruction set instruction and details we will give asking for example 100.0 we will make it set and click it OK and this we will place it at the last and make the link with this set condition and this is address we will give for example I0.2 and in next row choose one more for example 3 and just only click after this will be placed and next also we will choose reset REST. When you type it will be you can get and details put here upfront. Sorry, not this one. Delete details, find instruction and go to the sequence output and here you can find the reset and click OK. Which address we like to be make it reset 100 point for example 100.0 we have to be make a reset. Okay, this is now 2 bits we make it ready and with here we can make 2 more bits output 100.0 when make it on our output needs to 100.1 and when our when our 100 point, yeah, this is 100.1, it's okay, it's enough, one more, no need more. And this just only 100.0 we have to be. When this is will be 100.0 will be set, after this is 100.1 will be on and off, you can see in program. So just click it on this one and first compile the program. You can see this is new program, 0 error, 2 warnings. What he warnings show? Reset 100.0 at rung 1.6. This is at 2 rung and this is at 4 rung. So nothing issue. We will just download and try. Click OK, click OK, and download successful and make it simulation on. Sometimes it's showing error, but now we give the X2 signal. See, this is X2 we give signal and our 100.0 is now set. You can see here is one also, here is one also, and as we give the X0.3 signal, it relatively goes to reset. You can see this is the go to reset. Again I give the signal 0.2, it's on, and it's X0.3 when we give the signal, after this will be go to reset. What's the difference between latch and latch and this set reset? Simple. This is when make it on this 100.0 after we make the holding contact of the 100.0. But in the set reset condition, we no need any holding contact. This is just you place this command and after two signals you can use. After this will be go to set and reset. See, this way you can make the on of any your output coil 100.0, 100.2 or any coil. Hope for guys you will be understand about this set reset function. If not understand anything, can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.